This short video has been compiled to demonstrate just how the Midi CX backhoe assembly can be detached and remounted. Naturally, full and detailed instructions are contained in the operator's handbook. Before detaching the backhoe, make sure the machine is on level ground with the shovel in the transport position. Next, simply lower the excavator bucket to the ground and turn off the engine. The rear window opens easily in two sections. Remove the lower screen from outside the machine and leave safely to one side. And lower the boom so that the backhoe assembly is supported on the rear frame. Simply lower the stabilizers so they're about 150 millimeters off the ground. Removing the two locking clips and the mounting pins is the next step. Before unlocking the control pods from inside the cab. Raising the boom allows the whole assembly to roll back until the mountings are clear of the machine. Lower the stabilizers to raise the attachment clear of the carriage hooks. Driving the Midi CX forward allows clear access to the quick release couplings and electrical connector. The hydro clamp connector and quick release fittings detach easily. After driving clear of the backhoe assembly, the rear screen assembly can be refitted. And there we have it. Complete safe removal of the backhoe assembly in less than 8 minutes. The Midi CX is now ready to take a range of attachments for the next job. When you want to refit the backhoe, reverse the Midi CX up to the attachment and reverse the process.